welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're like me who don't feel like wearing makeup every day but still want to look presentable, well, I have some tips and techniques for you which will make you look put together without having to put on a lot of makeup. Actually, no makeup whatsoever. We're just going to apply a little bit of skincare. So guys, I meet a lot of people who don't wear makeup at all and they just wear some skincare. So guys, sometimes it happens that there is a sudden plan, or you just have to go out somewhere and you want to look presentable but you don't have really time to do a lot of makeup, or you just don't feel like wearing makeup at all. You're just feeling lazy and you don't feel like wearing makeup. So this video is going to be really helpful. It is all about skincare and basic things that will make you look a little bit put together and presentable. So let's get on to the video. So the first step is to wash your face, to cleanse your face. I know that you're feeling lazy, you don't want to wear makeup, but you still have to get up and wash your face. It is very important to cleanse your face. Make sure that there is no dust or dirt whatsoever on your face. So I've already cleansed my face. So now I'm just going to apply some toner. Just take some cotton ball and take some toner on that. And just clean your face. So guys, like, I understand that sometimes we don't feel like wearing makeup. And these small things will make a lot of difference. So guys, I've washed my face, but still, can you see the dust? So it is very important to apply a toner and then apply a good moisturizer. So guys, usually I like to apply a moisturizer like this. This is very good for oily skin because it's a gel based moisturizer. But since I'm not wearing any makeup today, so I'm just going to apply some stroke cream today because it has a little bit of sheen effect. But you can totally go for the normal moisturizer. I'm just going to take this. I'm just going to massage it on my face. So guys, I've already applied my moisturizer. Now I'm just taking a little bit more because it has a little sheen in this. So I'm just going to apply on the high points of my face because I'm not wearing any makeup, right? And I still want that shine and that dewiness on my face. So I'm just going to apply this and just to use a dabbing motion to apply this highlighter. It's not really a highlighter, but it has a little sheen in your moisturizer. So I'm just going to apply some here, a little bit here. Can you see the shine already? And we are not even wearing makeup. See, it is looking like the glow from within, so it looks very nice and natural. So guys, I have applied that stroke cream, and as I told you that you don't have to apply stroke cream, you can still wear a moisturizer like the regular one. And if you want this kind of glow, I will tell you a hack. You can take your lip balm. Here I'm not taking any tinted lip balm, it's just a lip conditioner. You can apply it on your lip and you can apply the same thing on your cheeks and it will give you the same effect. Guys, you can either go for this plain conditioner which I have applied, or I have this one also. This is not tinted but it has like little sheen. I'm just gonna apply this as well. But people who don't like sticky lip balms or lip glosses, they can always go for this lip conditioner. It is not at all sticky at all. It is by MAC. I'm just gonna link that in the description down below. And as I told you that I'll be using this as a highlight. You can use any petroleum jelly as well. So now guys, moving on to the very important step is to curl your eyelashes. I know that some people are really scared of curling their lashes, but it is very important and it will give you like a lifted eye effect, and it lifts your eyes immediately. So I'm just gonna curl it. Can you already see the difference? And we are not even wearing any mascara. And you just have to curl your lashes and hold it for like 10 seconds. And this is the result you get. I'm so happy with the result. See, it instantly lifts your eyes. It looks so good. Just gonna do the same thing on the other eye as well. That's all. And now another hack. I'll be using the same lip balm on my eyes as well. It will give you that wet eye sort of an effect. You can even apply it on your eyelids, but I'm just gonna apply it on my lashes so that it looks like a clear mascara sort of a thing. To invest in makeup, and some people really like to invest in their skincare. So it is very important to invest in your skincare as well, because it can make or break your skin. Please invest in good skincare. It doesn't have to be expensive. You just need to read the right ingredients which works for you according to your skin type, and please use that. It might not give you the result instantly, but you will definitely see the results in the longer run. So now I'm just gonna spray some hydrating mist on my face. I just cannot stop myself whenever I spray this on my face. It feels so good, and जब तक ये dry होता है, we will fix our hair. So guys, जैसे भी आपके ऊपर हेयर सूट करता है, like if you wanna go for something side parting, आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. So I'm just gonna put my hair in a ponytail, in a low pony. आपको जैसे भी हेयर स्टाइल पसंद हो आप वैसा कर सकते हो. I'm just gonna keep it in a low ponytail, like the center parting. See guys, it is looking so better, and we are not even wearing any makeup, and look at that glow on my face. And the last thing is to wear well fitted clothes and also to accessorize. Since you're not wearing any makeup, and if you have to go to the mall or anywhere that you want to look presentable, you can just accessorize yourself. I'm gonna wear these hoops and let's see how they look. Otherwise, I'm just happy with this as well. Guys, the look is all complete now. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends and comment down below if you like this look or not, and what should I make next. And till then, I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.